Hello world, I started with the airlock. This is part 1 of the medical field. Usually, that is the ordinary way to reach inner. But sometimes, I wanted to build something to clean shoes, but I dropped it out entirely. I think the lock for people is enough to clean. Anyway, the next area provides space to move out. After that, we stacking the clothes in the sink, take a towel, and go shower. These are the showers here. We get clean stuff from the right side and have on the other side space to attract. After then, we reach the inner area. The sail is composed of 3 components and is to simplify in the sail. This room organizes the clothes. You see the both connections for dirty and clean stuff, and also new parts to fill this area. I interrupt on this position, and thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow and have a great time.